Welcome to the Blackfoot.
I'm into it, poop it, derriere swoop it.
As you can see, we're following the tracks of a large ungulate with the two-sided foot. Fun fact, people think that most elk have 4 feet. They actually have 6, but the 2 are hidden, kind of in between the other. You have to imagine it, but it's why it's shaped the way it is. So.
The best way I've discovered to tame a cat is give it a concussion.
Yeah. Kick the shit out of your cat.
Oh, this is a particularly difficult cat. I put batteries in a sock for these types of cats.
Farm.
I found a delicious morel mushroom, which I will fry up with some butter and garlic.
The first beaver dam to have hosted the Queen, 1987. Thank you. So, we're currently in a cattle running area, and they run the cattle down that direction. And once the cattle reach their end destination, they're mowed down with machine gun fire and turned into hamburger. Thank you. We've recently seen a beaver. It appeared to have a human's hand in its mouth. We'll be calling the police. Thank you.
Hi. This anthill, largest anthill in North America.
He's just doing what the UCP is going to do to our province. Just generating work.
Get back to work.
Hike is over. We're all pretty tired. It was a hot day, but it was a good hike. Found 93 frogs. We didn't eat any of them.
That sucked.